a video into one of your blog posts. I know we've talked about this before by using the link, but it seems like that's not as reliable as we'd like. It doesn't always come up as the video. Sometimes shows as a hyperlink, sometimes shows just as text. So I'm going to show you a new way of doing that. So I'm just going to bring up a post, a test post, to show you how this is going to work. And we're going to use code to do this time rather than a link. So I'll call it video test. Now you see here we've got visual, which is what we always use. So visual, if we think about it as a person, visual is like our outside appearance, our skin, our clothes, our hair, what we look like. But if you were to click over to text, you can see how it kind of changes a little bit. Text is where we put all our code, and code is like the inside of us, so our brains, our nervous system that tells our body what to look like and what to do. For example, if I was to go into an old post, one that had pictures and links and stuff on it, you'll see really clearly oh, there's Gabe's homework. Okay, anyway, look at this one here. You can see this is what it looks like visually. So that's where my video went, and all my typing and etc, etc. And if you look at it from text, it looks like kind of some crazy language with lots of pointy brackets and forward slashes, and this is the code. So this is stuff that's here is what's telling this to look like this. Okay. So video test post. If I want to do any writing first, I would do my initial writing or typing up here, or if I wanted to go straight into the video, that's when I would just go straight into the video from there. So wherever your cursor is where the video is going to go. So I've got a video up here of my favourite weirdo, Kate Bush. I won't torture you by listening to her, even though she's fabulous. So if you've got a video that you want to go to share, like we normally would. And instead of grabbing this link here, I'm going to click on embed. And you can see it kind of looks like that code we looked at before. It has the pointy brackets and all that kind of stuff. It's already highlighted for you to copy. You can change the width of it. So I might change mine to 480, and you can see that changed up there. If I was to change it to 960, that's how wide it would be. But very few of us have a content bar that is that wide. So I did it 480. Now I can Command C to copy that. Go over to my post. Now I need to make sure I put it onto text if I'm going to put code in. So click on text. This little weird thing here just is like a space or a paragraph, so I'll put it underneath that. Paste it in, doesn't look like much. And over here you can see, oops, that there's a big square. Now, I don't know why this is, but for some reason, if we were to preview it, it doesn't actually show up. Oh, it does. It's changed. Ah, even better. So there we go, that's what it looks like. And then if I want to publish it, that I'm ready to publish it, I can click publish. It's not centered, which kind of bugs me a little bit. So I think if I put, let's see if this works. Oh yeah, so you can see I've put in center at the front and pointy brackets, and at the end /center. You'll notice that there's lots of these forward slashes at the end. That's how it tells the internet, I guess, or your blog or whatever thing that you're coding or programming that you've finished with it. And if we didn't put that in, the code wouldn't work. It would think that it was still open. So we close it, visual, and then now if we preview that, in lieu of publishing, there she is, and she's wonderful. Cool. Alright, hopefully that's going to give you guys a bit of a hand in posting lots of fun videos to your blogs.